So guys, it's your boy, another one fresh in the box. Yo guys, here with the same INGCO brand again. I told you I was gonna bring you the new and fresh boy in the box, yo. So guys, so the no song playing, yo. So this lithium compact drill, 12 volts, 2.0 amps. Guys, this drill is not to be played with. It's the boss of the bosses. It's a drill, hammer, screw, man, a lot of things all together. You can do anything at all with it. But I share it. Alright, so guys, let's go deep into what this thing has for us. Okay, so I think it comes with nice elegant accessories like a CRV beats. Great, right? It comes with 6 different beats. It also comes with a magnetic holder and then HSS drill bits, and comes with self tap screws, and then muscle bits, all that. So like I said, this machine is good for industrial use. I don't know whether it's written there, but I use this machine and it almost tore my hands off, man. It tore my hands off, man. I think you should gently use it. Use it gently, you understand? Don't harsh on it. Alright, so guys, let's get into the box and see what it does have for us. Well, as you know how I like it, fresh in the box. Yo, fresh in a box. Alright guys, so this is the manual it comes with, and some beats, which you're gonna get this 3 and other ones here. I'm gonna go to it after I'm done with the manual side. So this is the manual. As I told you, the brand is from China, and this is the compact drill for you. This, okay, so it comes with 2 similar batteries, the same 2 right here. I think I turned it upside down, so it's same. It's 20 volts as this same thing, as you can see right here. Not talking plainly, don't tell me that. And this is a charger. Oh man, some are gonna say, where do we place the charger? Where do we place the charger? This comes with a charger, man. This comes with a charger, and you're gonna put the charger here. Yeah, it blew me off when I saw it my first time. This charger is made for other use. In case you have this and you have the smaller one, the drill with the small battery, you can charge this. I think you can charge over there. I think so. But those ones, most of those ones are like 12 volts, 18. I don't think 20, maybe 20 is gonna come buy. So this is what we have, and there's a screw. Okay, let me go into it. There's a magnetic, and this cuts hole through metal and your screws to different set. I like this screw because it's very deep inside and has a lot of strength. I like working with kind of those when I'm working. So let's go to the monster itself. Nice look, yellowish. I like the feel of it. It looks like, what can I say? Wow, I don't know what to. Alright, nice grip here. As I told you, it's a hammer screw. Alright, so as I told you, it's a compact. It's a compact. Man, I don't know what's wrong with the website, because I told them I want industrial one. They gave me this, and it's not bad also. So I don't know what to do. It's Ghana, huh? Alright. Sometimes you don't know how to use it. Comments and subscribe. I'll show you how to use it. Alright, so let's power it up with a 20 volts 2.0 amps battery. Ha, like the way it feels. There's the light to show your pointing side, where you are pointing the beat to. Okay. Alright, so let's put it down, and let me show you something else comes with a bag. Alright. I have time for this. Let's get into the bag. This bag looks like a workshop bag. Inside is black. The material used for it feels heavy. I think it's gonna last longer than you think. It's not bad packing all your stuff in. I'm moving to town, man. Guys, I'm gonna see you later. Then your beats and all that. Everything moves in nicely. It has a lid. It has some metal here for you to feel the grip here. That's that. So this INGCO for you. INGCO for you. Make the world in your hands. Say, make the world in your hands. INGCO. Nice grab. So alright, let's move back to the drill itself. Alright guys, as I said to you last time, so please make sure you like and comment so I can get back to you in terms of anything you want, and can make another video for you. Alright. This has very heavy start and finish. See the vibrates to start with, and the finishing vibrates my hands like a gun. Man, I encourage you guys to buy this for your not too hard work. I would encourage you to buy this for maybe 10 hours work, because maybe your work is very much hard. I'm not saying this machine can do that, it can do that, but I'm talking about the time you are using it. Maybe you use it often, but this. So you got two batteries. You need to charge both before you can use it entirely like how you want it. But if you have only one, you left one in the house, you're not going to love how to use it, understand? So I encourage you use both battery when going. You take both, charge both, and it's gonna do the work. This hard machine is gonna do a lot of work, man. I was trying to even screw something with not these screws, with my different screw, and the force, even I think I put it on the second gear, so it's bricked my screw, and I saw that machine. Yeah, this machine is what I need. Well, I thank you for bringing a different one. Alright, so guys, comment and subscribe, whatever you want me to do for you, I'll do it. Alright, see, moves reverse. Whoa, the guide closed entirely uncomparable. Alright, see. Oh, I did that. Okay, let me put it on first. Fifth, 9, 11. Wow. I think this machine is what you need. So guys, I'm going to leave you here, and you want to comment on anything you didn't like or you loved about this machine, and what you want to know about this machine, have it here, and I can show you what you need. So see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Let's peace you.